Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and to my old subscribers, thank you for the love. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make these friendly blueberry muffins with crumbled toppings. To get started, we have our bowl. To that, I'm gonna be adding brown sugar, white sugar. But if you don't have the brown sugar, you can just make use of the white sugar alone. So this is the crumble topping we're about to make. Then 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to be adding lemon zest, some salt. So I'll mix it up with a fork. Now I'll go ahead to add melted butter. I'll be adding it little by little. So after mixing everything, this is what I have. And if you don't like the crumbs too big, you can just break them down with the fork. Use it to break them down. So I think mine is okay like this. I'll just go ahead and set it aside. So now for the muffins, I'll go ahead to add 1 cup of milk. So for the muffins, I'll be adding 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, melted butter, vegetable oil, vanilla extract. Then I'll mix everything together. I'm done. So to that, I'm gonna be sieving my flour. Also to it, I'll be adding baking powder, baking soda, sugar, lastly salt. Now go ahead to mix everything. So I have my blueberries. I'm gonna add some flour to it. Just for the flour to coat every single blueberry. Then I'm gonna add it in. Then give it a stir to mix everything together. So we are done with the muffins. Right now I'm gonna bring the baking tray and line it with cup. So here I have my muffin tray. I'm gonna add some cups into it, some baking cups. So go ahead to add the muffins. I'll be using an ice cream scooper. So I'm also gonna add this tray is filled up, so I'll be using another tray. So it's time for us to add the toppings. So this is our toppings. Just add a little at the top, a little at the top, gently, so that it doesn't get that messy. So just try to arrange them. So I'm done with putting the toppings. I'll go ahead to bake on 350 Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. So right now I'm putting it in the oven. First, you want to preheat your oven. So after preheating your oven, then you bake. So right now our muffins are ready. I did bake this for about 20 minutes. You can make muffins for birthday party, picnic, whatever occasion you are doing, and also you can make it for your kids for school, because I know kids love muffins. And let me know what you think about this recipe. Also, I'm going to be leaving the full ingredient in the description box. Make sure you check that out, okay? Thank you for watching. Share this recipe with your friends and family. See you in my next video. Bye.